How can I adjust the power settings on my computer to prevent it from going into power save mode?
Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to adjust the power settings on your computer to prevent it from going into power save mode. This is especially useful if you're working on something important and you don't want any interruptions.
Why adjust power settings?
Power save mode is a feature designed to save energy and extend your computer's battery life. However, there are times when we might be presenting, watching videos, or doing other tasks where we don't want our screen to dim or our computer to sleep. Understanding and adjusting these settings can help improve your computer experience.
Accessing power settings.
For Windows users, 1. Right-click on the battery icon in your taskbar, typically found in the lower right corner. 2. Select Power Options. 3. In the new window, you'll see various plans like Balanced or Power Saver. Choose the plan you're currently on or want to modify. For Mac users, 1. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner. 2. Go to System Preferences. 3. Click on Energy Saver for older Macs or Battery for newer ones.
Adjusting the settings.
Windows, 1. Once you've selected your plan, click on Change Plan Settings. 2. Adjust the Turn off the display and put the computer to sleep settings to your desired time. To prevent power save entirely, select Never. 3. Once done, click Save Changes. Mac, 1. You'll see sliders for Computer Sleep and Display Sleep. 2. Adjust the sliders to your desired time or move them all the way to the right for Never. 3. Make sure to check or uncheck the box that says Put hard disks to sleep when possible, based on your preference. Adjusting your computer's power settings is straightforward and can greatly impact your overall experience. We hope this guide helps you use your computer more effectively without unwanted interruptions from power save mode. Happy computing!